Welcome to Creating a Winning Digital Marketing Plan, Step-by-Step Guide for Beginners. In this video, we will take you through the fundamental steps of creating a successful digital marketing plan. Whether you're new to digital marketing or looking to enhance your existing strategies, this guide is designed to provide you with valuable insights and actionable steps to help you achieve your marketing goals. Let's get started. Understanding your target audience. To create an effective digital marketing plan, it is crucial to understand your target audience. Conduct market research and analyze demographics, preferences, and behaviors of your potential customers. This will help you tailor your marketing efforts specifically to your target audience's needs and interests, increasing the chances of attracting and retaining customers. Identifying demographics. Identify the age, gender, location, education level, and other relevant characteristics of your target audience. This information will enable you to tailor your content and marketing channels to effectively reach and engage with your desired audience. Analyzing preferences and behaviors. Study the preferences, interests, online behavior, and purchasing patterns of your target audience. Understanding what motivates them, their preferred communication channels, and their past interactions with your brand will help you craft personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with them. Defining goals and objectives. Setting clear and achievable goals is essential for a winning digital marketing plan. Define what you want to achieve through your marketing efforts and establish measurable objectives. These goals could include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Smart goal setting. Create smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals that align with your overall business objectives. For example, instead of a vague goal like increase sales, set a specific goal such as increase monthly online sales by 20% within 6 months. This will provide a clear direction and enable you to measure your progress effectively. Choosing the right digital marketing channels. To make the most of your digital marketing efforts, it is crucial to select the right channels that align with your target audience and marketing goals. Consider the following popular digital marketing channels. Search engine optimization. Improve your website's organic visibility by optimizing it for search engines. Employ techniques like keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, and attract relevant organic traffic. Social media marketing. Leverage the power of social media platforms to engage with your target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive website traffic. Identify the social media channels where your audience is most active and develop a content strategy that aligns with each platform's best practices. Email marketing. Build and nurture relationships with your audience through targeted email campaigns. Segment your email list based on customer preferences and behaviors, and create personalized and valuable content that drives conversions and customer loyalty. Implementing effective strategies. Once you've defined your target audience, goals, and selected your marketing channels, it's time to implement effective strategies to achieve your objectives. Consider the following strategies. Content marketing. Create and distribute relevant and valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. Utilize blog posts, videos, infographics, and other content formats to establish your brand as an industry leader and nurture customer relationships. Pay-per-click advertising. Drive targeted website traffic by running pay-per-click, PPC, campaigns. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising networks offer highly targeted advertising options, giving you control over your budget and ensuring your ads reach the right audience. Monitoring and analyzing results. To continuously improve your digital marketing efforts, monitor and analyze the results regularly. Use tools like Google Analytics to track website traffic, user behavior, conversions, and other key metrics to gain insights into the effectiveness of your strategies. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to create a winning digital marketing plan for beginners. By understanding your target audience, defining goals, choosing the right channels, implementing effective strategies, and monitoring results, you're well on your way to achieving success in the digital marketing world. Remember to stay updated with the latest digital marketing trends and constantly evolve your strategies. Thank you for watching. In this video, we have guided beginners through the step-by-step process of creating a winning digital marketing plan. By understanding your target audience, defining clear goals, selecting the right marketing channels, implementing effective strategies, and monitoring results, you can boost your online presence and achieve your marketing objectives. Start planning your digital marketing journey today and take your business to new heights.